Introducing the world's first Busy Beavers plush toys. Made by Gund. Available only on Amazon.
Beavers, busy beavers, busy beavers from Amazon.
Get your busy beavers, busy beavers, busy beavers from Amazon. Ooh, I've got a fever for busy beavers from Amazon.
I've got a fever for busy beavers from Amazon. Get your busy beavers, busy beavers.
From where?
Busy beavers from Amazon.
From Amazon?
Get your busy beavers. Busy beavers.
From where?
Busy beavers from Amazon.
That's good. Get your busy beavers from Amazon. Get your busy beavers from Amazon.
I love you.
Share the love. A love for learning with Billy and Betty Beaver plush toys. Only from Gund. Only on Amazon.
Busy beavers from Amazon.
I've got a fever for busy beavers from Amazon. Get your busy
Amazon.
beavers, busy beavers from Amazon.
Get your busy beavers from Amazon. Ooh, I've got a fever for busy beavers. Get your busy beavers from Amazon. Get your busy beavers from Amazon.
Good night, Billy.
Good night, Betty. I love you.
Introducing the world's first Busy Beavers plush toys. Made by Gund. Available only on
Busy beavers.
From where?